Python, JSON without whitespaces. I just realized that json.dumps adds spaces in the JSON object. For example, how can remove the spaces in order to make the JSON more compact and save bytes to be sent via HTTP? Such as
In some cases you may want to get rid of the trailing white spaces only. You can then use there is a space after column but not after. This is useful for diffing your JSON files, in version control such as git diff, where some editors will get rid of the trailing whitespace but Python json.dump will add it back. Note, this does not exactly answers the question on top, but I came here looking for this answer specifically. I don't think that it deserves its own QA, so I'm adding it here.
Compact encoding.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.